ॐ ॐ ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान्नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकम् हिरण्यकुण्डलम् वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं वेट्रिवेल्मुरुगनट्ट हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा कोमलं कूजनं वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायंकाले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्यासहस्रैः वन्देऽहं रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम् आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशञ्ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दार्द्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगत वनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनछायचेलम् चारुस्निग्धोर्मम्भोर्बललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदत्तो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै। गङ्गागीता च गायत्रपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसाद प्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिदधुरुषयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः। हरये नमः। गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्द गोविन्द। श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायूरप्पने शरणम्। आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणम्। चोटानिकर भगवति अम्मये शरणम्। नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते। Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayanian session. We are in 73rd Dashakam today. It is Vasanta Malika Chandas. We have done this before. So we'll immediately get into it and start it off. We have the second Dashakam, which is longer. Hopefully, with His grace, we can complete. And in tomorrow's Paran, 75th Dashakam, I thought first I'll not include, then I thought it is in our Sankalpa. So I'll chant it off tomorrow, and then in the class we will take it. So I had put my name because it won't finish. It's a longer one. Today's second one itself is long, but then want to break the Sankalpa of 1 to 75 since we decided. Let's get into today's one. Okay. One minute. It is Vasanta Malika, not Vasanta Tilaka. Ready? Nishamayatavathayana
निशमय्यतवाथयानवार्ताम्
Vrishamartah Pashupala Balikastaha
प्रशमार्ताः पशुपालबालिकास्ताः
Kimidang Kathanvitimah
किमिदं कथन् वितीमाः
Samavetaः Paridevitānya
समवेताः परिदेवितान्यकुर्वन् निशमय्यतवाथयानवार्ताम् प्रशमार्ताः पशुपालबालिकास्ताः किमिदं कथन्वितीमाः समवेताः देवितान्यकुर्वन्
Nishamaya. Nishamaya tava. So Nishamaya, hearing, having heard tava, yana vartam, atha, in this way. So now we remember Akrura has come and then he was talking to him whole night. And then we saw that last verse. Where is Lord today? Is he in Radha's house or Chandragraha's house? Who is Chandrabhaga's house? Where is he? They were thinking. So now they have heard. Nishamaya. Now they have heard that Lord is Yanavarta. Lord's journey news they have heard and they became Brushamartaha. They became extremely sad. Who? Pashupala Balikaha. They means all the gopis, all the cowherd gopis. They became very sad. Kimidam, what is this? What is this? Katham. How this has happened? So Samavetaha, all they have gathered and they're saying, Paridevitamnya Kurvan. Paridevitani is like they are sitting and lamenting that how come this has happened? Why it has happened? How, like that. They couldn't believe that there would be a day that Lord is going to leave them and go. It is something which is never thought of. So it's like a very big shock coming that Lord is going to leave the Vrajabhumi. So this was a complete disastrous. Nishamayatavathayana Bhrishamartah Pashupala Balikastaha Kimidang किमिदं कथन्वितीमाः समवेताः परिदेवितान्यकुर्वन् करुणानिधिरेष नन्दसूनुः
करुणानिधिरेष नन्दसूनुः
कथमस्मान् विसृजेदनन्यनाथाः
प्रथमस्मान् विसृजेदनन्यनाथाः
पतनः किमु दैवमेवमासीत् the ending
बतनः किमु दैवमेवमासीत्
इति तास्त्वद्गतमानसा विलेपुः
इति तास्त्वद्गतमानसा विलेपुः करुणानिधिरेष नन्दसूनुः कथमस्मान् विसृजेदनन्यनाथाः बतनः किमु दैवमेवमासीत् इति तास्त्वद्गतमानसा विलेपुः
so करुणानिधिः एषः नन्दसूनुः okay is Arjun Anish not going to join Arjun?
No, I'm doing.
Oh, you're going to join. Okay, I saw the camera upside down. Okay, so Nanda Sunu, oh Nanda son, then Esha Nanda Sunu, this Nanda son, oh Karuna Nidhi, oh this compassionate, the one who is of a Nidhi, who has Karuna, who has the compassion as his store, the storehouse of compassion. Katham Asman, how come for us? Visruje, he's leaving, he's abandoning us. Ananyanathaha. We don't have any other refuge. No other Natha. Nobody else is there. Ananyaha. We don't have anybody else. This is our only refuge. Katham asman visruje. How can he leave us? Bhata. Oh my God. Bhata is like alas, it's an exclamation. Nakimu daivamevam asit. Means our luck is only so much. Are we so ill-fated? Are we so unlucky? Aha, Twadgata Manasa Vilepuhu. In their house, in their mind, Manasa, in their mind, they are keeping on feeling disheartened, heartbroken, disappointed, and they are keeping on brooding in their minds. Karuna Nidhiresha Nanda Sunuhu Kathamasman Visrujedananyanathaha Patanah kimu daivamevamasīt iti tāstvadgatamanasa vilepuhu charamaprahare pratishthamaanaha
चरमप्रहरे प्रतिष्ठमानः
सह पित्रा निजमित्रमण्डलैश्च
सह पित्रा निजमित्रमण्डलैश्च
परितापभरन्नितम्बिनीनाम्
परितापभरन्नितम्बिनीनाम्
शमयिष्यन् व्यमुचः सखायमेकम्
शमयिष्यन् व्यमुचः सखायमेकम् चरमप्रहरे प्रतिष्ठमानः सह पित्रा निजमित्रमण्डलैश्च परितापभरन्नितम्बिनीनाम् शमयिष्यन् व्यमुचः सखायमेकम्.
So now what happens? Charamaprahare pratishtamanaha. When there was one prahara balance for the night to yet over, that time. So one prahara is like about the last 2.5, 3 hours of them is early morning. So that time, Saha Pitra with his father and his friends, when he was about to go, when he was leaving, Pratishtamana, when he is leaving, Paritapabharam Nitambinina. Nitambinina, the Gopikas, and who are Paritapabharam, who are full of distress and sorrowful, Shamayishyan, to pacify that, Vyamuchaha, he sent Sakhayam Ekam. He sent one friend to pacify the gopis. Charamaprahare pratishthamaanah sah pitra nijamitramandalaycha paritapabharam nitam vineenam shamayishyan vyamuchah sakhayamekam. Prahlad, are you there?
ಅನಿಕಾ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಒಂದು ಸೇರಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕ ಓಕೆ
Prahlad is not. So adults can now participate. Mataji. Number 4. Achiradupayami sannidhim vaha.
अचिरादुपयामि सन्निधिं वः
Bhavita sadhumayaiv sangamashriः.
भविता साधुमयैव सङ्गमश्रीः
Amrutambu nimajjayishye.
अमृताम्बुनिधौ निमज्जयिष्ये
Drutamityashvasitavadhurakarshih.
धृतमित्याश्रवसिता वधूरकार्षीः अचिरादुपयामि सन्निधिं वः भविता साधुमयैव सङ्गमश्रीः अमृताम्बुनिधौ निमज्जयिष्ये द्रुतमित्याश्रवसिता वधूरकार्षीः
Achirat upayami. Achirat, not by delay. That means quickly. Upayami, I will come to you. Sannidhim, near you. I will come to you, not very. Vaha. Bhavita sadhu. Sadhu bhavita. And it will be possible like this. Maya eva sangama shrihi. With the happiness of being with me, it will soon be possible. Amrutambu nidhau, in the Amruta bindu nidhau, in that bindu, in the bliss Amruta bindu, in the bliss nimajjayishye, I will immerse you in the bliss of my company. Dhrutam, quickly. Iti ashvasita vadhuhu. You are consoling the gopikas. Akarshihi. He consoled the gopikas like this. That don't worry. I'll come back soon. And you will be in my company of happiness. And I'll immerse you in the divine bliss. What more we want you here? One like this one. He has given that sentence. It's going to be many, many years since he's going to be back. But then they were immersed. They could see Krishna everywhere. Because later on we will see that story that then he sensed. How are they? Just find out. And in the trees, everywhere they see Krishna only. On this one sentence, on this one ashvasana, the rest of the lives they lead. So beautiful it is. Achiradupayami sannidhim vaha bhavita sadhumayaiva sangamashrihi amrutambu nidhau nimajjayishye drutamityashvasita vadhurakarshihi. Uddhava was sent to them. Then Uddhava was shocked to see like how Gopika's devotion and how they invoke Lord and they see Lord everywhere. Look at on this it is. So Mananji. Number 5. Savishadabharam sayachnam sayachnyam nyakara.
सविषादभरं सयाञ्छि
Yan, no, yachnya. Ch will be half, first ch, and then nyakara. Nya. Yachnya.
याज्ञ सशिदा सविषादभरं सयाज्ञ मुच्चैः
No, yach. Savishada bharam sa yachnyam.
याज्ञम्
Yachnyam. 1, 2,
सविषाद
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Savishadabharam sayachnyam. Sayachnyam. Where to break it? Savishadabharam sayachnyam atidurapanitabhirikshama. Okay. Uchchaihi. Yeah, it will be there. Savishadabharam sayachnyam
सविषादभरं सयाज्ञमुच्चैः
अतिदूरं वनिताभिरीक्षमाणः
अतिदूरं वनिताभिरीक्ष्यमाणः
मृदु तद्दिशि पातयन्नपाङ्गान्
मृदु तद्दिशि पाङ्गान्
सबलो क्रूररथेन निर्गतो भूः
सबलो क्रूररथेन निर्गतो भूः सविषादभरं सयाज्ञमुच्चैः अतिदूरं वनिताभिरीक्ष्यमाणः मृदु तद्दिशि पातयन्नपाङ्गान् सबलो क्रूररथेन निर्गतो भूः
So, Savishadabharam, very much sorrowful. Bhara, complete full of sorrow. Sayachnya. Yachana is a word used for begging, requesting. He very much asking, that he should not go, he should come really very early only, like that in there. And then Atiduram, till very far. Vanita bhihi ikshamanaha, till, till they were looking at, for a very long distance. And Mrudu Taddishi, in that direction also, Matayan Apangan, from the side glances, Lord is seeing them and how they are begging that he should not go or he should come early. And for a very long distance, he was seeing them. They were also seeing the Lord. And with Sabalaha, with Balaramji and Akrura, Rathena, by that Ratha which he came, the chariot which was sent by Kamsa, Nirgato Bhuho, they left. But till the distance, till they could say, like how normally, when they were leaving somebody at the airport, at the railway station, till that train could go, and the last thing you could see your loved one, till that bye goes, or till the person is entering and entered, until the last, even at the immigration clearance, you can be last moment. So for our own little loving person, if we are doing for the Lord, then till what distance till the eyes, they are holding him. Lord is also holding with the apanga drishti, with the side glances only. Savishadabharam sayachnyamuchchaihi atiduram vanitaabhirikshamanaha mrudu taddishi patayannapangan sabalo krurarathena nirgato bhu. Number 6. Anasa bahulena vallavanam
अनसा बहुलेन वल्लवानां
मनसा चानुगतोऽथ वल्लभानाम्
मनसा चानुगतोऽथ वल्लभानां
वनमार्तमृगं विषण्णवृक्षम्
वनमार्तमृगं विषण्णवृक्षं
समतीतो यमुनातटीमयासीः
समतीतो यमुनातटीमयासीः अनसा बहुलेन वल्लवानां मनसा चानुगतोऽथ वल्लभानां वनमार्तमृगं विषण्णवृक्षं समतीतो यमुनातटीमयासीः.
So now what happens? Anasa. We have heard this word before in the Chakatasura Vadha, the cart. Anasa. So Anasa is a cart. Bahulena. So many carts of Vallavas and of the Gopas. And Manasa cha anugato Vallabhanam. And so many Gopikas' minds, Anugataha, are followed when Lord is going. And then when he's going through the forest, what is happening? Vanamartha mrugam. The mrugas, the animals are also artha. They are also becoming sorrowful. And Vishanna vriksham. Even the trees are becoming Vishanna. So much sorrow for the trees also. Samati taha. And you have crossed. Where? Near the Yamuna Tata. You have come. You have crossed the forest. Where the trees, the birds, the animals, everybody is sorrowful. You have crossed all that. And now Yamuna Tatim Ayasi. You have come on the banks of river Yamuna. So many. It means till then, Gopa boys with the carts. But the one word is Vallabhanam Manasa. And the minds of so many gopis have followed till then. So not only them, then the trees and the animals also, the whole forest is also sad. Manasa bahulena vallabhanam manasa chanugatoth vallabhanam vanamartamrugam vishanna vriksham samatito yamuna tatimayasi. Lalita. Number 7. Niyamaya nimajja varini tvam. Varini tvam vitva.
नियमाय निमज्जवारिणि त्वाम्
Abhivikshyath rathepi gandineyah.
अभिवीक्ष्याथ रथेऽपि गान्धिनीयः नेयः
Vivasho jani kinvidam vibhoste.
विवशो जनि किन्विदन् विभो
Lalitama.
Hmm?
Okay.
You did not say the last part.
No, I didn't say. I didn't hear from you the last part.
Oh.
Vibhoste. That I didn't hear. Could you
Okay.
say that line?
Yeah.
So I thought my
Vivasho-
connection went, but then I saw some movement, so I okay.
विवशो जनि किन्विदन् विभोस्ते
Okay, we are going higher. Nanu chitran tvavalokanam samantat.
ननु चित्रन्त्ववलोकनं समन्तात् नियमाय निमज्जवारिणि त्वाम् अभिवीक्ष्याथ रथेऽपि गान्धिनेयः विवशो जनि किन्विदं विभोस्ते ननु चित्रं त्ववलोकनं समन्तात्.
So very beautiful thing is happening now. So this niyamaya means niyama, to follow the niyama, to follow the discipline, means of doing the Sandhya Vandhana. Okay. Nimajja varini. Varini in the water. Nimajja was taking the dip. Tvam abhiviksha. He saw you. And then atha rathepi means who? Gandhineyaha. Gandhineya means Akrura. Akrura has stopped to do his evening Sandhya Vandan. He has got into the water. In the water, he sees the Lord and Rathepi. And he looks at the Ratha. Lord is seen on the Ratha also. Akrura is seeing Lord inside the water when he's taking a dip. And when he comes out, he's seeing him on the Ratha also. Vivashaha Ajani. Vivashaha Jani. He became Vivasha means it's not helpless over there. It is surprised, wonderstruck. He's astonished. Then, Kim Invidam Vibhoste. Kim Vibho, you are all pervading. So, who you are all pervading, would it be a surprise? Chitram Tvau Avalokanam Samantat. And you are seen Samantat. Everywhere also you are seen. You are the all pervading Nanu Chitram. This is a wonder. One who is all pervading would definitely be everywhere seen. And this is a wonder. And Akrura got a glimpse of this. नियमाय निमज्जवारिणि त्वाम् अभिवीक्ष्याथ रथेऽपि गान्धिनेयः विवशो जनिकिन्विदं विभोस्ते ननु चित्रं त्ववलोकनं समन्तात्. So nice. One minute. Number 8. पुनरेष निमज्य पुण्यशाली
पुनरेष निमज्य पुण्यशाली
पुरुषं त्वां परमं भुजङ्गभोगे
पुरुषं त्वां परमं भुजङ्गभोगे
अरिकम्बुगदाम्बुजैस्फुरन्तम्
अरिकम्बुगदाम्बुजैस्फुरन्तम्
सुरसिद्धौघपरीतमालुलोके
सुरसिद्धौघपरीतमालुलोके पुनरेष निमज्य पुण्यशाली पुरुषं त्वां परमं भुजङ्गभोगे अरिकम्बुगदाम्बुजैस्फुरन्तम् सुरसिद्धौघपरीतमालुलोके.
You're not well, Bunny? Some cold or fever?
Yes.
Rest well. Rest. Okay. Now what has happened? Punaha. Again. Eshaha nimajja punyashali. This lucky man, Eshaha punyashali nimajja. Again he took a dip. That time, Purusham Tvam Paramam Bhujanga Bhoge. He gets the darshan of Bhagwanji lying on the Adishesha. What a darshan. And how? Ari is his chakra, the disc. Kambu is his shanka. Gada is his maze. And Ambuja, lotus. All these four holding in his eyes, Purantam, shining forth with. And Sura, Siddha, Ugha, Paritam. Around him, all the Devas, all the Siddhas, Kinnaras, everybody, all are around him. Aluloke. Like this he sees. He saw Bhagwan in this form. Anantashayana darshanam he got. Very beautiful. Akrura, see, means what devotion if one has, God has ways to come and show his bhakta in wherever and where. Otherwise, he was trapped with Kamsa's duty. He's there and he's only imagining to see. But see now when he got a chance, Lord made full use of it and gave him complete darshan. पुनरेष निमज्य पुण्यशाली पुरुषं त्वां परमं भुजङ्गभोगे अरिकम्बुगदाम्बुजैस्फुरन्तं सुरसिद्धौघपरीतमालुलोके. So imagine. Number 9. Satada Paramatma Saukhya Sindhau.
सतता परमात्मसौख्यसिन्धौ
विनिमग्नः प्रणुवन् प्रकारभेदैः
विनिमग्नः प्रणुवन् प्रकारभेदैः
अविलोक्य पुनश्च हर्षसिन्धोः
अविलोक्य पुनश्च हर्षसिन्धोः
अनुवृत्त्या पुलकावृतो ययौ त्वाम्
अनुवृत्त्या पुलकावृतो ययौ त्वाम् स तदा परमात्मसौख्यसिन्धौ विनिमग्नः प्रणुवन् प्रकारभेदैः अविलोक्य पुनश्च हर्षसिन्धोः अनुवृत्त्या पुलकावृतो ययौ त्वाम्.
What a beautiful scene this is, this shlok. Satada, that time, Paramatma Saukhya Sindhu. Sindhu is ocean. And Paramatma Saukhya, Bhagwan's immense, the darshan he got. So he is reveling in that bliss, in the ocean of bliss. And not only reveling, Vinimagnaha. He's immersed, he's drowned in the bliss of this Paramatma Saukhya, of this darshan he got. And then Pranuvan, he does namaskar, he does stuti, prakara bhedaihi. Of different types of stutis he sung for the Lord. Prakara bheda means Lord's saguna form, Lord's nirguna form, everything is coming out of him. And he's singing praises to the Lord. And then Avilokya Punaha. He saw again, then Avilokya. He's not seeing the Lord again. But Harsha Sindhoho Anuvritya. He's in that Anuvritti. He is having Anuvritti, continuous feeling immersed in that Brahman, in that supreme bliss. He's not seeing Lord anymore. But he means in that water, that Shesha Naga Anantashayana darshan is gone. He's not seeing. But he's continuing in that bliss. That has not gone. He's still immersed in the bliss. And then, Pulakavruta, he got horripilations on his body. Yayautvam. He comes to you. Where? Lord is in the chariot. No, he's doing his ablutions in. So, Yayautvam, he comes to you with all the horripilations that he has experienced something. He's seeing Lord there, he's seeing Lord here also. So, and now he's not seeing anymore in that water. And he's returned back to the chariot. But still in the state of that bliss, and that bliss horripilation he is having. Pulakavrita. Satada Paramatma Saukhya Sindhu Vinimagna Pranuvan Prakara Bhedaihi Avilokya Punascha Harsha Sindho Anuvritya Pulakavrito Yayau Tvam. Vilama. Number 10. Kimu Shitali Mahanjaleyat.
किमु शीतलिमामहाञ्जलेयत्
Pulako Saditi Choditena Tena.
पुलकोसाविति चोदितेन तेन
Atiharshaniruttareण Sardham.
अधिहर्षनिरुत्तरेण सार्धम्
Rathavaasi Pavanesha Pahi Mantvam.
रथवासी पवनेश पाहि मां त्वम्.
And then after this, we should end with saying Shantakara Bhujakashayana. So right over there.
Shall I say?
I
don't remember full Shantakara.
I will help you. I'll help you. I'll help you. Don't worry. You can say Kimu Shitalama. From there you start and then.
किमु शीतलिमामहाञ्जलेयत् पुलकोसाविति चोदितेन तेन अधिहर्षनिरुत्तरेण सार्धम् रथवासी पवनेश पाहि मां त्वम्. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशम्
विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम् वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
I'll practice.
Yes, you've done it very well.
Yeah.
And sometimes all of a sudden, if we have said even a Purnamada mantra will be forgotten. We must be saying that in so many class ages, but then that we'll forget. So it's okay. Don't worry. Okay. Now he comes like that with the Harupaleshana. See what Lord is asking him. Kimu, Shitalima Mahan Jale. Was the water too cold? Pulakaha asau iti. You are having horripilations like this. Was the water very cold for you? When he is coming to the chariot, Lord is asking him such a sweet question. And Lord knows what has happened. But Lord, as if he doesn't know anything, he's saying, Kimu Shitalima Mahan Jale. Was the water very, very cold? Mahan Jale Shitalima. Pulaka asau iti. You are very horripilation. You're having goosebumps. And he asked like that. And then Ati Harsha, he was in such a state of bliss, he was in such a state of overjoy. Niruttarena Sardham. So he could not give reply only to the Lord. He was dumbfounded. O Rathavasi Pavanesha, Guruvairappa on their chariot. Pahi Mam Tvam, you protect me. किमु शीतलिमा महाञ्जलेय पुलकोऽसाविति चोदितेन तेन अतिहर्षनिरुत्तरेण सार्धम् रथवासी पवनेश पाहि मां त्वम्. सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्दनाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द. शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्. With his krupa, such a beautiful chapter with so much of emotions. One side Gopi's viraha, one side Akrura's bliss. What all emotions we carried through this chapter, this Dashakam. Let's go into the next Dashakam. Little ones, yes. Shardula Vikridita, have we done? Yes, we have done before so many times. So now, Bhagwan's Mathurapuri Pravesha Varnanam. So he is going to now enter Mathura, and that Varna we are going to see. Suddenly, no, this is gone again. Coming back from that Dashakam into this. Prapto Mathuram Dina. Samprapto Mathuram Dinartha Vigame Tatrantarasmin Vasan. Okay. Got that. Sorry, I didn't mute and I just chanted it loudly like this. Samprapto Mathuram Dinartha Vigame.
Samprapto madhurandina savigame
Tatrantarasmin Vasan.
तत्रान्तरस्मिन् वसन्
Arame Vihitashanas Sakhijanaiः.
आरामे विहताशनः सखिजनैः
Yatah Purimīkshitum.
यातः पुरीमीक्षितुम्
Prapo Rajapathanchira Shruti Kautuhala. We have to continue that line also, but
प्रापो राजपथञ्चिरश्रुतिधृतव्यालोकको कुतूहल
Kautuhala Stri Pumsodhyadaganya Punya Nigalairakrishyamano Kim.
कौतूहलस्त्रे पुंसो द्यदगण्य पुण्यनिगलैराकृष्यमाणो नुकिं
Very good.
सम्प्राप्तो मधुरान्दिना सविगमे तत्रान्तरस्मिन् वसन् आरामे विहता शनः सखिजनैः यातः पुरीमीक्षितुम् प्रापो राजपथं चिरश्रुतिधृतव्यालोककौतूहलस्त्रे पुंसोऽद्यगण्यपुण्यनिगलैराकृष्यमाणो नुकिम्
Sampraptaha Mathuram, when Mathura was nearing, when Dinardha Vigame, half of the day has gone. That means around the noon time, he was reaching over there. Tatra Antarasmin Vasan. On that outskirts, then he paused. Where? Arame, in a garden. Over there he stopped. And Vihitashanaha, he took the food, he stopped over there, and he has taken the food. Sakhi Janehi, with his friends. Yataha Purim Ikshitum. Puri, the city, Ikshitum, to see. Yataha, he goes to see the city. Then, Prapaha Rajapatham. When he comes on the main road, Rajapatham, when he comes over there, Chira Shruti Dhruta, people have heard of him for a very long time. Vyaloka Kautuhala, they are holding very much excitement to see him. They have only heard. And Stri Pumsaha, or the man or woman, as though Udyad, Aganaya, so many, infinite, countless. Punya Nigalaihi. Nigala is a chain. So many have come to see him as he is walking, as though Akrushyamanaha Nukim, as though the people have formed a chain, as though they are pulling the chain or pulling the Lord. Just imagine on both sides of the street there are people packed. So that is compared to the chain, and as though they are pulling the Lord, Akrushyamanaha. So because so much they had heard, and one must have enough deposit of punya to see the Lord. And these were waiting to see the Lord. So probably Lord from Brajabhumi had to come over here, because over here also bhaktas, devotees are waiting only, right? And they are, it's like a grand welcome for him in the city. Samprapto Mathurandinardha Vigame Tatrantarasmin Vasannarame Vihitashana Sakhi Janairiatah Purimikshitum Prapo Rajapathan Chirashrutidhrita Vyaloka Kautuhala Stri Pumsodyadaganya Punya Nigalairakrishya Manonukim. One long line is there. Yes, Anish, come. Tvatpadadyutivatsaraga subhagaha. One of the very beautiful verse, you'll star mark it. If possible, memorize it. Not for anything, but the richness of Sanskrit, and that is going to come once we will unfold the meaning. It's a very, you must have a taste like a rasikata to enjoy this Sanskrit in this verse.
त्वत्पादद्युतिवत्सरागसुभगाः
Vanmurtivadyoshitaha
अन्मूर्तिवद्योषितः
Samprapta vilasatpayodhararuchaha
सम्प्राप्ता विलसत्पयोधररुचः
Lolabhavadrishtivat
लोलाभवदृष्टिवत्
Harinyastvadurasthali
हारिण्यस्त्वदुरस्थलीवदयिते
Mandasmita Praudhivan. Praudhivan will become Praudhivat. Praudhivat.
मन्दस्मितप्रौढिवत्
नैर्मल्योल्लसिताः कचौघरुचिवत्.
नैर्मल्योल्लसिताः कचोघरुचिवत्.
So that the has become the. Then Rajat Kalapashritaha.
यत्कलापाश्रिताः
Hmm.
त्वत्पादद्युतिवत्सरागसुभगास्त्वन्मूर्तिवद्योषितः सम्प्राप्ता विलसत्पयोधररुचोला लोलाभवदृष्टिवत् हारिण्यस्त्वदुरस्थलीवदयिते मन्दस्मितप्रौढिवत् नैर्मल्योल्लसिताः कचौघरुचिवद्राजत्कलापाश्रिताः.
So this verse is like the description is of the Lord, and the description is of the women who have assembled over there. And both the descriptions are having one word only. Okay, Lord is also described, and the women who have assembled over there, they are also having the same description word, but the meaning is different, but the word is same. That's why little, it's very difficult to translate it, but we will try. Okay. Tvat pada dyutivat. Tvat pada dyutivat. Dyuta, we say no, for Deva, the Vyutpatti is Dyotana Devaha. Correct? The one who is shining. So, pada dyutivat. Tvat pada. Your feet glow. Dyutivat. Like the glow of your feet. Saraga subhagaha. Okay. Like the glow of your feet. So means Bhagwan's feet is, how tender and how subhaga raga. In that sense, it is like beautifully red, that pinkish hue is there. This is one where Bhagwan's feet is described. And on the other side, raga can be love. So one side is the raga is a color. Saraga subhaga, beautiful pinkish tone, reddish color of your feet. Tvatpada dyuti, the shine, the glow of the Lord's feet. Okay. And on the other side, how are those women? So much love for you, shining forth with the love for you. So Saraga subhaga, beautiful, in-depth love for you. So this Saraga subhaga is beautiful. The Saraga is the color of the feet of the Lord, and the Saraga is the description for the women who have assembled there. So much love for the Lord. Got the hang of it now? So like this entire verse, one meaning is for the Lord, the other meaning is for the women who have assembled there. So now, like your Pada Dyutivat. Okay. Then next, Twan Murtivat Yoshitaha. Yoshita are all those women over. Twan Murtivat. Like your form. Like your form, how? Vilasat, Samprapta Vilasat Payodhara Ruchaha. How is your form? Like a payo, Vilasat. Vilasat is shining. Payodhara is the cloud. The cloud which is full of water now about to rain, how it becomes now the dark color. So we have now for the Lord the name Megha Shyama, we say, na? For the Lord. Megha is the cloud and the black. So Payodhara, the one which holds the water, is the cloud. So like that, your Murti form, okay? One Murti what? Vilasat, shining like a Payodhara. But other name of the Payodhara is, Payodhara will also one which carries milk, that means breast. So the one who is having a color of the cloud is the Lord's description, and a Payodharaha Ruchihi is the beautiful breasted women. So the description of the lady is over there, the women who have gathered over there. The beauty is described over here. Then, next, Bhavadrushtivat, like how your eyes. Now, how your eyes are? Lola. Lola is always moving. So, Lord's eyes are always moving. And over here, Lola for the women is one who is having that yearning in the eyes to see the Lord. So if we want to see, even our eyes would have that bhav. So how your drishti is moving, like that the women's drishti is also yearning, lolamana. They are also wanting to see you, and your drishti is moving. So same word is used to describe the Lord and describe the women folk who have assembled over there. Okay, then Harinyaha Tvat Udarasthalivat. Tvat Udarasthalivat. Your chest. Harinyaha. With hara, so much haras are there. Means so much necklaces. Harinyaha. Yeah? Your like your chest, which is having so many ornaments. So and over there for the women, Harinya means who captivates your mind or who robs your heart. Somebody who is very attractive. So in Lord's case, like the chest, Harinyaha, like the necklaces on the chest. But for in the women's case, Harinyaha, the one who are very so beautiful, they are so very attractive women. Okay, we go ahead. Then comes the word Mandasmita Praudhivat. Mandasmita is that small smile. And that's not small smile, I would say. Like a small smile. It's not like a laughter. It's like the gentle smile. But that smile carries all the Praudhivat, all the majesty. It is coming in that smile. And that is compared now to what? Nirmalyolasitaha. They are, that is shining with Nirmal. Nirmal is very innocent. It's very, very Nirmala. Very pure. No mala into it. Kachaugha ruchivat. Kachaugha ruchivat. It's like your beautiful hair. And then Rajat Kalapashritaha. Rajat Kalapashritaha is the peacock feather which is covering in your hair. That is Kalapashritaha. And over here, in the women, that is also with so much decorated with ornaments. Lord is with Rajat Kalapashrita, hair is covered with peacock feather, and the women are having the ornaments. Yoshitaha. Yoshitaha is all the women who have come over there. Samprapta Yoshita. So in this verse, the description of the Lord and Yoshita, all the women, Samprapta, who have reached over there. So where is this Yoshita word? Where is this Samprapta? First line, last word. Second line, first word. Yoshitaha Samprapta. So there we have this word. These women are gathered over there. So Lord's description is going, and the women who are there, their description is going. So something to enjoy in this verse and understand the meaning. So this is again brilliancy of Bhattacharya ji, who has given us like this kind of a literature. My God. Tvatpadadyutivatsaraga subhagaha tvanmurtivadyoshitaha samprapta vilasatpayodhararuchaha lola bhavadrishtivad Harinyastvadurasthali vadaite mandasmita praudhivat nairmalyolasitah kachaugharuchivat rajat kalapashritaha. So, like how the women who are like this, it's just like your feet. How these women beautiful like this, just like your murti. How the women were like this, just like the jewel on your chest. No, it is like that comparison. It's going on and the description has started. Number 3. Tasamakalayannapangavalanaihi.
तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गवदनैः
Vada you have? Is it not vala?
sorry
तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गबलनैः
मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु जनेषु तत्र रजकं कञ्चित्पटीं प्रार्थयन्
प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्या लोलेषु जने
Okay, modam.
Oh, sorry.
तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गवलनैः मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु
तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गवलनैः मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु जनेषु तत्र रजकं कञ्चित्पटीं प्रार्थयन्
Correct. Beautiful. कस्ते दास्यति राजकीयवसनम्
कस्ते दास्यति राजकीयवसनम्
याहीति तेनोदितः
याहीति तेनोदितः
सद्यस्तस्य करेण शीर्षमहृथाः
सद्यस्तस्य करेण शीर्षमहृथाः सोऽप्यापपुण्याङ्गतिम् तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गवलनैः मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु जनेषु तत्र रजकं कञ्चित्पटीं प्रार्थयन् कस्ते दास्यति राजकीयवसनम् याहीति तेनोदितः सद्यस्तस्य करेण शीर्षमहृथाः सोऽप्यापपुण्याङ्गतिम्
Very nice. Thank you, Arjun. Okay, so now tasam. Tasam means to them. To them means who? To the women's description we saw, no? So to all those women, akalayan apangavalanaihi modam. Modam akalayan. He is causing very happiness, giving them very delight. By apangavalanaihi, seeing them through his side glances, he is giving them happiness. And praharshadbhutavyaloleshu, so much joy and so much adbhuta, wonder that he is causing over there, and they are vyaloleshu, they are immersed into that joy and adbhuta, praharsha and adbhuta. Janeshu, all these women. Then tatra, over there, rajakam. Rajakam is a dhobi, one washerman, kanchit, some. Patim prarthen, kanchit, some clothes. Lord asked him to give him the clothes. But then this Rajaka says, kahate dasyati, who will give Rajakiya vasanam, king's clothes, who will give it to you? Yahi iti tena uditaha. He says, who will give you the clothes? The king's clothes, who will give you? Lord asked him for clothes. One Rajaka was there. One Rajaka, Dhobi was there. Lord asked him for the clothes. He says, who will give you the clothes? King's clothes. Then Sadhyaha, immediately, Tasya Karena Shirsham Huritaha. His head was chopped off. Soha, he also, Apa Punyam Gati, he also got a liberation. So some Leela was there, something of that Rajaka was there. So some story they have said now, that the Rajaka was killed then and there itself, and Apa Punyam Gati, he got Punyagati, he got liberation. तासामाकलयन्नपाङ्गवलनैः मोदं प्रहर्षाद्भुतव्यालोलेषु जनेषु तत्र रजकं कञ्चित्पटीं प्रार्थयन् कस्ते दास्यति राजकीयवसनं याहीति तेनोदितः सद्यस्तस्य करेण शीर्षमहृताः सोऽप्यापपुण्याङ्गतिं सः अपि Apa, that is the Sandhi Ched over there. Okay. And that is still not there, no? Okay, Lataji. Number 4. Bhuyo vayakame kamayatamatim. Shall we do the whole line? दोषेण वेषोचितम्
भूयो वायकमेकमायतमतिं भूयो वायकमेकमायतमतिं तोषेण वेषोचितम्
Shramsar is there or what? Yeah.
द्वाश्वां
Dashvamsam swapadam nineth sukrutam Oveda jivatmanam
दाश्वांसं स्वपदं निनेथ सुकृतं को वेद जीवात्मना
मालाभिस्तबकैस्तवैरपि पुनर्मालाकृता मानितः
मालाभिस्तबकैस्तवैरपि मालाभिस्तबकैस्तवैरपि पुनर्मालाकृता मानितः
भक्तिं तेन वृतां दिदेशिथ परां लक्ष्मीं च लक्ष्मीपते or we can keep paran lakshmin cha bhaktin tena vrtan dideshith paran lakshmin cha lakshmipate
भक्तिं तेन वृतां दिशेषित भक्तिं तेन वृतां दिदेशिथ परां लक्ष्मीं च लक्ष्मीपते भूयो वायकमेकमायतमतिं तोषेण वेषोचितम् दाश्वांसं स्वपदं निनेथ सुकृतं को वेद जीवात्मना मालाभिस्तबकैस्तवैरपि पुनर्मालाकृता मानितः भक्तिं तेन वृतां दिदेशिथ परां लक्ष्मीं च लक्ष्मीपते.
So in that previous verse we saw that how Lord gave him mukti. In this what has happened, Bhuyaha, another episode. Vayakam is one weaver. Ekam, one weaver. Ayatamatim, who is his mind is very big, a very generous one. Toshena veshochitam, very happily. Uchita vesham he gives to the Lord. Dashwamsam. When he gives that to the Lord, Uchitam, then what did Lord do to him? Swapadam ninetha. Lord took him to his own abode. He got Vaikuntha. And Sukrutam, Kaha, Veda Jivatmanam. These Jivatmas they have done Sukruta. That means their previous past life deeds, their Punya collection, God alone knows how much it is, where it is, and when it is fructifying. Because he just gave Lord whatever Lord desired, one cloth Lord has asked, he gives joyfully. Just receiving that, now he gets Vaikuntha. So we had seen in that Eknathi Bhagavad, no, Salokya, Sarupya, the 4 types of liberation. So he gets Salokya. Then another episode, Mala Bhihi, by malas, different garlands, Stabakaihi, by different bouquets, Stavaihi, by praises, Punaha, one more person, Mala Kruta Manitaha. So he was Mala Kruta, he was that garland man, the Pulwala. He was doing that and he was offering it Manitaha. He was giving great respect to the Lord and serving. So then what does he get? Bhaktim tena vratam dideshita param. Param bhakti he gets because he wanted devotion to the Lord. And not only that, Lakshmincha, he gives lot of wealth, lot of prosperity also to that person, lot of devotion also. Oh, Lakshmipate, you did like this. Oh, Lord of Lakshmi, you have done like this as well. Means in one sloka we saw who is getting killed by the Lord or who is getting mukti. We're not nice to use the word killed. Mukti through the Lord, and one we are saying who gets Vaikuntha also, and he gets Param devotion and lot of prosperity. Bhuyo vayakame toshena veshochitam dashvamsam swapadam ninetha sukrutam oveda jivatmanam maladhistabakaistavirapi punar malakrita manitaha Bhaktin tena vratam dideshith paran lakshmin cha lakshmipate. That day while chanting, no? Now when I saw that manito word, when we are pausing, if there is something like this, break the sandhi and pause. But in last week's Parayan, I've seen you have held many of you were holding the manito word like this, the sandhi as it is and pausing and then continuing the next line. So when we are pausing, open the sandhi and then pause. Okay, number 5. Sumanaji. Number 5. कुब्जामब्जविलोचनां पथि पुनर्दृष्ट्वाङ्गरागे तया
कुब्जामब्जविलोचनां पथि पुनर्दृष्ट्वाङ्गरागे तया
दत्ते साधु किलाङ्गरागमददास्तस्या महान्तं हृदि
दत्ते साधु किलाङ्गरागमददास्तस्या महान्तं हृदि
चित्तस्थामृजुतामथ प्रथयितुं गात्रेऽपि तस्या स्फुटम्
चित्तस्थामृजुतामथ प्रथयितुं गात्रेऽपि तस्या स्फुटम्
गृह्णन् मञ्जुकरेण तामुदनयस्तावज्जगत्सुन्दरी
गृह्णन् मञ्जुकरेण तामुदनयस्तावज्जगत्सुन्दरीम् कुब्जामब्जविलोचनां पथि पुनर्दृष्ट्वाङ्गरागे तया दत्ते साधु किलाङ्गरागमददास्तस्या महान्तं हृदि चित्तस्थामृजुतामथ प्रथयितुं गात्रेऽपि तस्या स्फुटम् गृह्णन् मञ्जुकरेण तामुदनयस्तावज्जगत्सुन्दरीम्.
So again, one of very beautiful things in the first line we see, Kubjam Abja Vilochana. Kubjam, one Kubja. Kubja is having a hunchback. Abja Vilochana is Abjaha, one who is born from the water. That means lotus, Vilochana, lotus-eyed one. So Lord, lotus-eyed one. Patihi Punaha Drushtaha. Again on the way Drushtaha. Angarage Taya. Angarage Taya datte, given by her, angaraga, something that you apply on the body, some fragrant oil or some powders or lotion, So this, she had given that sadhu, Kila. And then second line again you see, angaraga. So over there, anga means dear, and over here, raga means love, extreme love. Adadaha tasyaha mahantam hridi. In her heart, you gave her lot of love for you, O Lord. One Kubja offered Lord some fragrant applications, angaraga, applying on the body. In the second line, that same word angaraga is used, in which anga means oh dear, or means oh Lord. You gave her raga, hridi, mahantam raga in her heart. For Lord, she gave angaraga and Lord gave her love for the Lord in her heart. See the word usage. So again, that is the point to be enjoyed over here. And then chittastham, in the chitta, in her mind, chittasth, what is there in her mind? That rujuta, that straightness in her mind. Prathayitum gatrepi should be seen in her body also, that straightness. Now the body is not straight. Now she is a kubja. But her mind is very pure and so very straight. And that has to be given. So what does Lord do? Grunnan, manju karena, with his hand, he holds her, tam. Then udanayaha, he lifts, and then tavat jagat sundarim. He just holds. Over here it is not mentioned the chin. But in Bhagavad there is that he just lifts the chin and holds the chin, and the whole body is straightened up. So whatever her rujuta in the mind is now reflecting in the body in such a way that she becomes Jagat Sundari. She becomes Miss Universe. Kubjam abja vilochanam pathi punar drushtvangara taya datte sadhu kilangara gamadadas tasya mahantam radhi. Ragam adadaha, gave love. तस्या महान्तं हृदि, तस्या हृदि महान्तं। चित्तस्थां ऋजुतामथ प्रथयितुं गात्रेऽपि तस्या स्फुटं गृह्णन् मञ्जुकरेण तामुदनयस्तावज्जगत्सुन्दरी। ललिता जी। Number 6. तावन्निश्चितवैभवास्तव विभो नात्यन्तपापा जनाः।
आवन्निश्चितवैभवास्तव विभो नात्यन्तपापा जनाः.
जनाः. Sarika, I have chanted.
No, it's not there in my book.
I have chanted it. You have to provide it.
Okay. तावन्निश्चितवैभवास्तव विभो नात्यन्तपापा जनाः.
Yeah. So write it with the pencil.
Yeah.
यत्किञ्चित् ददते स्म शक्त्यनुगुणं ताम्बूलमाल्यादिकम्।
यत्किञ्चित् ददते स्म शक्त्यनुगुणं ताम्बूलमाल्यादिकम्।
गृह्णानः कुसुमादिकिञ्चन तदा मार्गे निबद्धाञ्जलिः।
गृह्णानः कुसुमादिकिञ्चन तदा मार्गे निबद्धाञ्जलिः।
नातिष्ठं बतः यतोऽद्य विपुलाम् आर्तिं व्रजामि भो।
नातिष्ठं बतया यतोऽद्य विपुलामार्तिं व्रजामि प्रभो। तावन्निश्चितवैभवास्तव विभो नात्यन्तपापा जनाः। यत्किञ्चित् ददते स्म शक्त्यनुगुणं
not ganam, guna.
यत्किञ्चित् ददते स्म शक्त्यनुगुणं ताम्बूलमाल्यादिकम्। गृह्णानः कुसुमादिकिञ्चन तदा मार्गे निबद्धाञ्जलिः। नातिष्ठं बतः यथोऽद्य विपुलामार्तिं व्रजामि प्रभो।
So sad line this is. What happens tavat? That time, what happened then? Nishchita vaibhavaha. Nishchita vaibhavaha. Vibho, O Lord, O all-pervading one who has got nishchita, so much of vaibhava. They and those who are na atyanta papa janaha. And the jana and the people who are not so much papi, who has got full faith in you, who has got some vaibhava. Yat kinchit dadate. They have given something or the other to you. Shaktyanugunam, as per their capacity. Tambula or malya, the cup, whatever. The garland, flowers, tambula, the betel leaf, something or the other. People were giving you according to their shakti because they have so much faith in you. And some had a kusumadi kinchan grunhana, some were holding even the flowers. Tada, that time, marge, on that path, nibaddhanjalihi, by joining hands, na atishtham. I didn't stand even by joining hands. People are giving even flowers and bitter leaf and all. But I didn't stand in that marga, on that road that day with even my folded hands. But alas, that's why, oh my God, Yataha adya, today, Vipula artavim, so much Vipula. Vipula means so much. Artim, suffering, Vrajami, I'm experiencing, Prabhu. So Lord, that day I didn't stand with my folded hands also over there. So I'm having so much of suffering. But Atiriji is saying, my God. तावन्निश्चित वैभवास्तव विभो नात्यन्त पापा जनाः यत्किञ्चित् ददते स्म शक्त्यनुगुणं ताम्बूलमाल्यादिकं गृह्णानः कुसुमादिकिञ्चन तदा मार्गे निबद्धाञ्जलिः नातिष्ठं बतः यतोऽद्य विपुलाम् Artim vrajami prabho. That's why I'm experiencing like this. He's feeling now. Whenever we get a chance, we should, that means what? There is no waiting for a chance. Means always bow down, give something or the other. learn to give, learn to donate, learn to offer to Lord. Let's go for the 7th one. एष्यामीति विमुक्तयापि भगवन्नालेपदात्र्यातया.
एष्यामीति विमुक्तयापि भगवन्नालेपदात्र्यातया.
दूरात् कातरया निरीक्षितगतिस्त्वं प्राविशो गोपुरम्.
दूरात् कातरया निरीक्षितगतिस्त्वं प्राविशो गोपुरम्.
आघोषानुमितत्वदागमनमहाहर्षोल्ललद्देवकी वक्षोजप्रगलत्पयोरसमिषात् त्वत्कीर्तिरन्तर्गता. Sorry, we will break it, but I'll tell you. Aghoshanu So mitatva, so that mitat over there is one vitva. Mitatvad, tvad agamana, swatwadagamana, mahaharsho,
Is it agamana? Agamama is
agama,
there.
agama, twadagama, then mahaharsholla, harshollala, who Devaki. Okay. Harsholal Devaki. Then next line, Vakshojapra. There is one dvit over there. Vakshojapragalat. Pragalat. Pragalat is the word. Vakshoja is one word. Payora samishat. Payora samishat. Mishat. Payora saha mishat. Tvat. Kirtihi antargata. Okay, now we got all the words. Aghoshanumita, Tvad, Agama, Mahaharsha, Ullal. So Mahaharshollalat, Devaki, Vakshoja, Pragalat, Payorasa, Vishat, Tvat, Kirti, Antargata, Kirtihi, Antargata, Kirtir, Antargata. Aghosha. Okay, go ahead. Do it. Yes.
आघोषानुमितत्वदागममहाहर्षोल्ललद्देवकी वक्षोजप्रगलत्पयोरसमिषा त्वत्कीर्तिरन्तर्गता. एष्यामीति विमुक्तयापि भगवन्नालेपदात्र्यातया. दूरात् कातरया निरीक्षितगतिस्त्वं प्राविशो गोपुरम्. आघोषानुमितत्वदागममहाहर्षोल्ललद्देवकी वक्षोजप्रगलत्पयो रसमिषात् त्वत्कीर्तिरन्तर्गता.
So very beautiful description is there. Eshyami. Eshyami is a future tense. I will come. Like this. Vimuktayapi. Vimukta is you have sent her and you said I will come. But that Bhagavan, that Alepadatya, the one who has given the Alepana, no, that she has given that applications of that fragrance and all. To her, he is saying, and he is leaving her, but she is not ready to go. Durat, even if as the Lord is going, she is kataraya. She is feeling so scared that now there will be separation from the Lord. So niriksha gatistvam, she kept on following his movement. Niriksha gati, Lord's gati, she's keeping on following. Tvam pravisho gopuram, till he could enter the city Gopura, the entrance. Till then, her eyes, as much as she could see the Lord, she is filling her. So he's saying, Eshyami, I'm going to come. He is leaving her, but she is not ready to leave with her eyes. She's what? Her eyes are following the Lord's gati, where Lord is going. Lord is entering the city. Now, over here, and the next two lines are very beautiful. So much aghosha is happening, right? that Lord has appeared, and there is like, so this Aghoshanumita. So there is something in the air. It's happening. So there is some joy, and that is interpreted that there is something big happening. And Twadagama, your arrival, and that is Mahaharsha. No, it is so much great joy it has caused. Ullalat, it is stimulated Devaki Vakshajaha. Pragalat Payorasa. That joy has stimulated Devaki so much that from her breast the milk is flowing. So what all Lord has done? But Kirti, your fame is such. And then you Antargata, you have gone into the city. Just by the news and interference that the Lord has come, Devaki, when she has seen the Lord, the time he was born, he's taken away. Same night, within few minutes, he's gone. And now, after that, so many years, she's going to see him now for the first time. In the air, already the celebration mode is there, and it is inferred that something nice is happening. Lord is coming. Everybody is, en masse, everybody is into entrance. It's like that. Yeah, so, and her love for her baby. Now the baby has become such a big boy, and the love for him, and with that, just she inferred that, and Vakshajaha pragalat payorasaha, from her breast, payorasaha pragalat. Eshaniti vimuktayapi bhagavannale padatriyataya दूरात् कातरया निरीक्षितगतिस्त्वं प्राविशो गोपुरम् आघोषानुमितत्वदागममहाहर्षोल्ललद्देवकी वक्षोजप्रगलत् पयोरसमिषात् त्वत्कीर्तिरन्तर्गता. It's already 6:30, huh? We are so many verses behind. 8, 9, and 10. Let us see in 15 minutes what Lord only has to come and race through this. But someone around 6:42 or thing, message in the Daily Gita. If anybody is there from the Daily Gita via, message in the Daily Gita chanter group that you just take a call around that. If you are in 9th or 10th verse, 5-10 minutes here and there. Let's see. Oh my God. 8, 9, and 10, 3 more verses to go. Let's see. आविष्टो नगरी महोत्सववतीं कोदण्डशालां व्रजन्.
आविष्टो नगरीं महोत्सववतीं कोदण्डशालां व्रजन्.
माधुर्येण नु तेजसानुपुरुषैर्दूरेण दत्तान्तरः.
माधुर्येण नु तेजसानुपुरुषैर्दूरेण दत्तान्तरः.
स्रग्भिर्भूषितमर्चितं वरधनुर्मामेति वादात् पुरः.
स्रग्भिर्भूषितमार्चितं वरधनुर्मामेति वादात् पुरः.
प्रागृह्णा समरोपयः किल समाक्राक्षीरभाङ्क्षीरपि.
प्रागृह्णा समरोपयः किल समाक्राक्षीरभाङ्क्षीरपि. आविष्टो नगरीं महोत्सववती कोदण्डशालां व्रजन्. माधुर्येण नु तेजसानुपुरुषैर्दूरेण दत्तान्तरः. स्रग्भिर्भूषितमर्चितं वरधनुर्मामेति वादात् पुरः. प्रागृह्णा समरोपयः किल समाक्राक्षीरभाङ्क्षीरपि.
Very sweet to love from Yosha. That's it. Okay, so now with Avishto Nagari. So now Lord is entering that Nagari on the city. Mahotsavavatim. That Nagari was how, like as if some Maha Utsav is happening like that, that Nagari was. Kodanda Shala Vrajan. He goes into the Kodanda Shala. Kodanda is bow. So there was this bow Shala. Like how we have a Go Shala where cows are there. Like this Kodanda Shala was there where all the bows are kept. Okay. And that Kodanda Shala was having one big, some special bow was there. Dhanush. Then Madhuryena tu. Madhuryena no. Maybe your sweetness. Tejasanu. Maybe your Tejasvi. Maybe it means Lord was so charming. God alone knows with what charm or looks or something. The Purushaha, that guard over there, Durena Dattantaraha. The guard was standing far away and he allowed the Lord to go into that Kodandashala. Means Lord's impression on him was so much that he just didn't say anything and he allowed Lord to go. Then Sragbhihi, Bhushitam, Architam, by all the things that puja and archa was done on that Varadhanu, on that bow. And see, Ma Meti is there now. Ma Meti Vadatpura. That word is there. Third line, last quarter. So it is Ma iti Vadatpuraha. Ma, no. Vadatpuraha, before saying Puraha, before saying Vadat, before saying no. What Lord has done? Pragrunnaha, taken that bow. Samaropayaha, put that string. Kila. Samakrakshihi, draw it, and abhangshi also. He broke the bow also. Everything happened in a fraction of a second. Lord has broken that bow. Avishto nagari mahotsavavati kodandashalam vrajan madhuryena nu tejasanu purushair durena dattantaraha sragbhir bhushitam architam varadhanur mameti vadat puraha pragrunha samaropayah kila samakrakshira bhangshirapi. Done and dusted. Leela. Number 9. Shvah Kamsakshapanotsavasya puratah prarambhaturyopamaha. You can unmute. Leela, it's your turn.
Yeah. Shokam Sakshapanotsavasya Purataha. Sorry. Second line also.
Okay, because you didn't hear probably. One minute. Shvakam Sakshapanotsavasya puratah prarambhaturyopamaha.
Shokam Sakshapanotsavasya Purataha Prarambhaturyopamaha.
Puratah prarambha, because we are doing it together. Chapadhvamsa mahadhvanistava vibho devanaro manchayat.
Chapadhvamsa mahadhvanistava vibho devanaro manchayat.
Kausasyapi cha vepatustaduditah kodanda khandadvai chanda. We have to continue, but for you we'll do that one line.
Kamsasyapi cha vepatustaduditah kodanda khandadvai.
चण्डाभ्याहतरक्षिपूरुषरवैरुत्कूलितो भूत्वया.
चण्डाभ्याहतरक्षिपूरुषरवैरुत्कूलितो भूत्वया. श्वः कंसक्षपणोत्सवस्य पुरतः प्रारम्भतूर्योपमश्चाभत्वं समहाध्वनिस्तव विभो देवानरो माञ्जयत्. कंसस्यापि च वेपदुस्तदुतितः कोदण्डघण्टद्वयी चण्डाभ्याहतरक्षिपूरुषरवैरु उत्कूलितो भूत्वया
So now what has happened? Shvaha, tomorrow, Kaumsakshrapanaha Utsava is a festival of Kaumsakshrapana. To kill Kamsa, there is this festival. Purataha. Before that, Prarambha, this is started. Turyopamaha, as if Turyopama. There is a drum beat before this killing of Kamsa's festival starts tomorrow. Like this, the sound Chapadvamsa, that breaking of the bow, that Mahadhvani, Vibho, oh all pervading Lord, Devan Aromanchayat. It sent horripilations even to the gods. That was such a terrifying sound that was created. Then Kamsasyapi, even for Kamsa, Vepathuhu, he was trembling. Taduditaha Kodanda Khandadvai. This Kodanda, which was khanda and broken into two pieces, Chandabhyaha, Vihahata, Chandabhyataha, Chanda, severely, he is beating who? Rakshi Purushaha, the guard who was over there. Utkulito Bhuhu, so much, and there was so much noise and the cries, and and the bow is also now broken into two pieces, and Lord is beating also the guard over there. Shvakamsakshapanotsavasya puratah prarambhatурyo turyopamaha chapadhvamsa mahadhvanistava vibho devanaromanchayat Kamsasyapi cha vekhatustadudita kodandakhandadvai chandabhyahata rakshi purusharavairutkūlito bhutvaya. In Devi Gita, just ask for some 5-6 minutes. Somebody message over there. We'll complete the last verse. 3 minutes are there for Devi Gita. Sorry. I just simply started as a hand. Please stop. शिष्टैर्दुष्टजनैश्च दृष्टमहिमा प्रीत्या च भीत्या ततः
शिष्टैर्दुष्टजनैश्च दृष्टमहिमा प्रीत्या च भीत्या ततः
सम्पश्यन् पुरसम्पदं प्रविचरन् सायं गतो वाटिकाम्
सम्पश्यन् पुरसम्पदं प्रविचरन् सायं गतो वाटिकाम्
श्रीदाम्ना सह राधिका विरहजं खेदं वदन् प्रस्वपन्
श्रीदाम्ना सह राधिका विरहजन् खेदन् वदन् प्रस्वपन्.
So starting is आनन्दन्नवतारकार्य घटनाद्वातेश संरक्ष माम्
आनन्दन्नवतारकार्यघटनाद्वातेश संरक्ष माम्. शिष्टैर्दुष्टजनैश्च दृष्टमहिमा प्रीत्या च भीत्या ततः सम्पश्यन् पुरसम्पदं प्रविचरन् सायं गतो वाटिकाम् श्रीदाम्ना सह राधिका विरहजं खेदं वदन् प्रस्वपन् आनन्दन्नवतारकार्यघटनाद् वातेश संरक्ष माम्.
So now, okay. Shishtaihi Dushtaihi Janaihi. Shishtaihi, the one who is having discipline and faith in God and all. Dushtaihi, those who don't have faith in Lord, who are wicked and who are bad. So for both, Drushta Mahima, they both realized Lord's Mahima by this. So Shishtas were very happy and Dushtas were very scared. So Shishtair Dushta Janehi Drushta Mahima, they saw, and Pritya cha Bhitya tatha. So Shishtas were Prityaha and Dushtas were Bhityaha. So whoever were having faith, their love in God increased. Who are Dushta, their Bhiti increased. So very beautiful line. Then Sampashyan Pura Sampadam. Sampashyan saw Pura Sampadam Pura, that Nagari Sampada, how that city is very prosperous, seeing that. Pravicharan, he was roaming here and there. And Sayangato Vatika, in the evening he went to one Vatika, one garden. And then Shri Damna Saha, with Shri Damna means with Shri Dama, he said, Radhika Virahajam Khedam Vadam Prasva. He talked that, oh, he felt Lord is feeling the separation from Radha. So you tell to your best friend only, no? Shri Dama was his best friend. He confides that, oh, he's missing Radha. He says that, and he sleeps. But Ananda Avatara Karya Ghatanat. But he is happy for his incarnation. Why this avatara is there? So he's feeling happy that now something is going to happen. And for what purpose this avatar he has taken is going to soon fulfill. So he's happy about that. O Vatesha, O Guruvairappa, Samraksha Mam, please protect me. शिष्टैर्दुष्टजनैश्च दृष्टमहिमा प्रीत्या च भीत्या ततः सम्पश्यन् पुरसम्पदं प्रविचरन् सायं गतो वाटिका श्रीदाम्ना सह राधिका विरहजं खेदं वदं प्रस्वपन् आनन्दन्नवतारकार्यघटनात् वातेश संरक्ष माम् सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवन् नमस्ते. So with this Ananta Krupa, somehow I was feeling that we won't be able to complete, but he made sure that we complete. We are 1 minute late into Daily Gita, 2 minutes late, I guess, but still it's okay. We have borrowed 5-6 minutes over there, but we completed. So if any doubts, please let me know tomorrow who are going to chant. I hope it would be easy. If you're forgetting the tune, the YouTube video will be uploaded soon after the session. Please go watch it. And then tomorrow let's do. And it's unbelievable step that we'll 75 dashakams we'll complete chanting tomorrow. So that's one landmark achievement. Until few months, 30 dashakams were only over, and now if we see, it's less than 30, 25 more to finish the whole Narayana. So we will sail through this. Next Monday, whether we have class or not, I'll post it later because of Vishu, and I don't know how much I'm going to get tied up in the house with the people visiting and things like that. So I'm not sure whether I can lock myself like this in the room and sit. I'll feel the pulse in the house. Then we will see without disturbing anybody's sentiments or feelings. Let me see. But I will not say class, because, it gets apprehended very easily. So I will see if somebody is okay, then we will have it. Otherwise, I'll post it at the group. Okay. So let's end today's session. If you have any pronunciation doubts, do me a WhatsApp message. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for chanting.
Hari Om Varsha
Hari
ji.
Om Varsha ji.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Varsha.
Thank you so much.
Hari Om Varsha.
Hari Om Varsha ji. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari
Varsha ji, thank you so much.
Om.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Hari Om Devika ji. Thank you. I'm so happy that in spite of all the surgeries, you're still connected in the class. Hope you recover soon. Devika ji is nursing herself.
Your bindi is awesome, Varsha ji.
Thank you.
Where did you get it?
Singapore only. Yes, in one of the marriages when it was a talk that you don't get it over here, where did you get it? So I understood that this is something available in Singapore, but not in India. Hari Om. Let's leave it for Daily Gita now. They must be waiting. Thank you for appreciating it.